what's up everybody, and welcome back to day 3 of filling these travel spree aboard the MSC Seascape on the Melanin at Sea 2.0 group cruise. Now, as you can see, I'm opening up by myself. That's because my family left me. I think I got an idea of where they have went, but I'm not 100% sure. So make sure you stay tuned and let's see where they at. So look who I done found. Where y'all been?
Where you found us?
Y'all been here the whole time?
The whole time.
So I ain't getting no wake up, no...
You heard us.
But you didn't say, hey, we finna go here. We finna go do this. Y'all just got dressed and left.
So this is what normally happens. You'll hear us wake up. He'll wake up, go use the restroom, all of that. He ain't moving. He pulled the covers over his head. He ain't trying to get up. So I was like, well, just let him sleep.
No, because I thought y'all was just, moving around and stuff. But when I heard that door close, I was like, oh, they really leaving. I ain't getting no kind of heads up, no nothing.
2 kids in the interior cabin. We about to get up out of here. And he was hungry. So we got dressed and we got on out.
I hung out at the casino last night.
What time you get in?
I got in a little bit after you.
What time is that?
About 4. About 4 o'clock. We was on the blackjack table. Once we get through eating, there is another Melanin at Sea event. We gotta go take the Melanin at Sea group picture. And of course, everybody is in their Melanin at Sea shirts today. So make sure you guys keep watching. Hopefully the family stays with me this entire day.
Hopefully he stays with the family.
Hopefully I'll stay with the family. Y'all left me. I'll be trying to stay with the family.
No, you be trying to sleep in. We're giving you your rest.
See y'all. Alright, so quick change of plans. We came back to the room, got changed into our bathing suits, and since PJ missed the kids in Crocs, we're gonna go make it up to him. We're gonna take him down to Pirates Cove, let him splash around, have a good time because he deserves it, and he was really excited about getting the water. So, you ready to go? Ready to splash around?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Y'all, I am loving this new sense of relaxation. Y'all know PJ is typically always with me, but I love the fact that he's going with his dad to Pirates Cove. Mama gets to lay down for a second, recharge. I'm just loving it. I'm loving it.
cool. We're washed up, dried off. We're actually in the auditorium right now for the iconic Melanin at Sea group cruise picture.
You gotta be in front of here.
Look at C-directed traffic.
It's the limit because it's the road that got the most people.
The doors of the church are open.
I'm gonna give y'all a pass because y'all kind of deep. Let's go with y'all.
MSC Seascape for Thanksgiving week 2023. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Y'all having a good time?
Yeah! Melanin! It's the melanin for me.
Melanin FC, it's the melanin for me.
So after working up an appetite at the line dancing class, we have made it to our assigned dining at the Kala Jandal restaurant. Now, we do have early dining. Unfortunately, our early dining time is 5 o'clock, which is 4 o'clock back home. So we might be a little bit hungry later on, but I had to come check out to see what the ladies were talking about on yesterday because they said they looked at the menu, they didn't see nothing that they wanted. So came to check it out to see what they were talking about. And hopefully this doesn't result in another night at the buffet. So it already looked like we're off to a great start. Is it good, man? Yeah? Oh yeah, he's tearing that up.
Alright, so for him, I'm gonna get the hot dog.
Hot dog?
And instead of oven roasted potatoes, can I get their french fries?
And for you?
For me, I'm gonna do the Caesar salad, the mixed grilled seafood.
Mixed grilled
I'll
seafood.
try it.
Yes, okay.
I don't know.
And for dessert?
And for dessert, let me try the wild berry cobbler.
One berry cobbler. Thank you.
All right, I will do the Sicilia style arancini,
Arancini, yeah?
the chicken breast parmigiana, and grandma's chocolate cake.
Grandma or grandpa?
Grandma is better. So,
I had 2 shrimp, like I said. Scallop is a little chewy.
it's a
Fish
scallop.
not too bad.
All right.
Veggies are good. It's alright. I'll probably still be hungry though.
So we coming back tomorrow?
It's on you.
It don't look like you got a problem with it tonight. Oh, don't do your face like that. Stop. Stop. She's so fake.
Chewy. So how's the chicken parm, guys?
It's chicken. A little bit on the under seasoned side, so we just put some salt and pepper on it. It's fine.
You put salt and pepper on yours? Do you think it needs salt and pepper?
Probably need some some more
Some more what?
flavor.
Oh, okay. A little lack of flavoring.
Yeah, other than that, I mean, it's not terrible.
Everything fine?
So we coming back tomorrow?
Why not?
Yeah, we'll see. 5 o'clock is early. He gonna be like, oh yeah, it is dinner. Just put it in your mouth.
How is it, man? Is it good? Yeah. All right. Little happy dance.
2 seconds later. Where is it at? Where?
Don't do that. Don't she childish?
We still all got hours, right? Where's that though?
Childish.
Was it good?
Alright, so y'all know we love a good show when we're on board. So we're actually headed back to the theater for the production called Premiere. Now it's supposed to sample some songs from like The Wizard of Oz, The Greatest Showman, Pretty Woman, stuff like that. So we're going over to the theater, check that out, and then tonight we have another Melanin at Sea event, which is the Moonlight, Stars, and Cigars event, which you know is one of my personal favorites. So make sure you keep watching.
Took my chances. When the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive.
Forever, forever, you'll stay in my heart, and I will love you forever and ever. We never will part. Oh, how I love you.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, kinda like me. Pretty woman. MSC Seascape.
Week 11, we've had to wait a while, and so far so good. This matchup, all the hype. Go back and forth in quarter number 1. And it is interesting when you watch these two play, the two being Mahomes and Kelsey, the rapport that they have, and Kelsey just finds the
Yo, when I tell you we had a time at the cigar event, we had a time. The event started about 10 o'clock. It's about 12:15 right now. Matter of fact, they're still up there talking. There's so many great people, so many great conversations. Like, we had so many laughs. Like, this is always why this event is always one of my favorites. But it is about that time to go ahead and close out the vlog. And if you made it to this portion of the video, thank you for watching. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have a question, go ahead and ask us. And make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. But tomorrow we may port again, and we will be in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Make sure you stay tuned because it's going to be a fun day. Good night, y'all.